Hello everyone. Today I will be introducing VoiceOver, as you can see. Now, if you clicked on this video, you probably haven't figured out how to make a thumbnail yet, and that is why I am here to help you. So, I'm going to be making a thumbnail for this video that I am currently recording right now. So, what you're gonna need is this app called Phonto. I'm not sure if that's the right pronunciation, but I don't know. So anyways, you click it, and you'll see this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a photo. So let's just do an example of something that we've, let's do this, alright? Let's just pretend we're doing something about a puppy, which obviously we're not, but you can do really whatever you want. Now, you will need to fit this into the screen that YouTube requires, but I'm not going to do that right now, but you can do that if you go over here, and as you can see, you can have a crop. It says square crop, and I'm 99% sure that's how you edit the size. So now, if you want to add text, let's pretend like I'm making a video about a new puppy. So you just tap anywhere, and it says add text. Now you want to click that, and let's just say new puppy. There we go, with an exclamation point. Now you can do font. You can change the font to anything you want here. You're not entitled to use this. You can do this, and you can do a symbol. So, let's just do that. As you can see, this is very big, much larger than we need it. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to get the size right here. As you can see, I have this little thing, and this edits the size of how we have it. Now, let's go over to style. Usually for my background, I do something like a red. You can do any color you want up here, any of these options. Or if you really want to, you have these dials down here, which you can make your own color with, which that is very useful. So I'm going to do something like this. Let's do done. And then what I like to do, you'll see in my cabin tutorial thumbnail, I like to tilt it just a little bit, ever so slightly, just like that. So let's do something like that. Then let's do another add text, and this is how I do arrows. I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I do it. So I just do something like that, just one arrow, as you can see. Let's do done. Now let's go to style. And this one, instead of background, it's going to say text, but it's really just the color of whatever this is. So I usually make a red arrow. Then I'm going to move it here. Usually I make the size slightly larger. We don't want it too big. And then you can, for tilt, you can move it around all you want and everything. So as you can see, I'm going to do something like this. And bam. So then you have something like that. Usually that's really all I do in this video. I'm only going to be showing what I do use, not all of the features on this app, only the features that I personally like to use. So usually that's really it. Sometimes you might want to, when you're choosing a picture, really, it'll actually give you some things that you can edit it, like on my cabin video. I know I keep bringing that up, but on my tutorial for a cabin, you'll notice that the image is a slate tint, which you can edit once you choose your photo, and it'll give you an option on the bottom of your screen. Now, let's say that this is a thumbnail. When you're done, you want to click this button in the bottom right-hand corner, right here. Then you want to go down, then save image as PNG, so you just click that. So let's do that right now. And then it'll say save successfully, okay. Now you're going to come over here. let's go to photos, and my license is new puppy right here. Now, if you want to add it to a YouTube video, you need YouTube Studio. So you click that, and as you can see, this is all the YouTube videos I posted. Let's view everything. And now, let's say I was editing the Try Not to Laugh or Grin challenge. Now, I can see this pencil in the top white corner area? And click that, and that's for editing. Now I do edit thumbnail. As you can see, I'm given 3 options, and I can also click custom thumbnail. Then I can go to license, and click this, and then as you can see, you can just kind of have it like that. Now, and then you click select, which I'm obviously not going to do because that isn't the thumbnail for this. I'm going to just go to changes, but it's pretty straightforward. You just click save, and then your thumbnail will be saved. For me, I don't know how it is with other people, but for me, usually I wait for the video to upload before I add the thumbnail. Then once it does upload, even when it's still processing, you can do it while it's processing, but I wait till it's done uploading, then I click the edit button, and then I add the thumbnail. So, that is how you make a thumbnail for YouTube and add it to your video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.